Hey, my name is Annie and today I am telling you about health insurance, home insurance. Rest easy, let us find you the ideal coverage for your family or a business. Lusana Insurance Service offer a wide range of personal, business, life, long-term care and disability insurance product. We are local and independent, which means that we can search leading companies to find you the best insurance product at the best possible price. Whether for home or work, coverage is always personal. Personal insurance talk to use about the perfect policy for keeping your home, life and automobile protected at the ideal price when bad things happen to good people. We are here. View personal insurance. Here we can see the view personal insurance. Disaster, theft, auto accident, unaccepted death when life gets tough. Rest easy. We have you covered if something bad will you have the proper insurance coverage to mitigate the damage. Insurance needs vary from person to person depending on income, assist values and even lifestyle. By making informed insurance purchases, you can ensure the proper coverage is in place when you need it most. Lusana Insurance Service can help you make the right choices, and the first step is to schedule your personal risk assessment. Home insurance, from fire to theft, stay protected from the unaccepted. Home insurance. Insurance protection is an important aspect of ownership, and as the old saying goes, one glove doesn't fit all. In addition to decision related coverage, amount for priority, possession and liability coverage, listed perils are also an important consideration. Possibly perils include such events of fire, theft, lightning, windstorm and hurricanes. A particularly important insurance consideration based in Boston, Louisiana, and with decades of experience covering homeowner across the South. Louisiana Insurance Service has the experience and knowledge to help you select the appropriate level of coverage from home, property and liability. In the event that you over need to file a homeowner claims, we are only minutes away from helping you get your life back in order. Request a homeowner quiet property coverage to pay for repairs to your home, grass if you have a loss of valuable in your home like jewelry, electronics, furnishings or guns due to theft or damage. This will cover if there is a claim when someone is injured or their property is damaged. Medical coverage for someone that is injured other than a resident on your property. If you have loss, you may need extra temporary housing or food when you force from your. What does it cover? Our friendly agents will make you through the steps necessary to find the right policy for your needs. Let us help you make the right decision. Let's talk about the right policy for you. Now we can back and view the auto insurance. Auto insurance, it is easy to overwhelmed by auto insurance choices. It is also easy to buy a cheap policy only to find out too late that cheap can sometimes mean too little coverage. Web shopping for and selecting the right auto insurance easy. We can help you find the right level of insurance at rate perfect from your budget. Based in Houston, Louisiana, our experienced staff of insurance professional is just around the corner and ready to save you. Request an auto quote. Here is the right auto policy at the right price. Liability, bodily injury and property damage. Covers losses and damages you cause the other. If you damage vehicles or property and are at fault, liability covers the damage that you cause. The coverage pays for you things like medical and rehabilitative expensive replacement services and funeral expenses. Comprehensive coverage protect you from damages beyond your control, filling trees, hail, theft, the glass damage, etc. Protect against automobile accident. The coverage pay if you are injured by a person who is completely car doesn't have enough liability insurance to cover your injuries. It is also cover you if you are accident with hit and run driver. It also pays for loss of income. Thanks for watching my video.